Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with EPICURE. So if you are new to EPICURE, which is exciting, you're wanting to get sales, customers, but you probably don't know where to start. Well, I make it very, very easy. So this is actually completely new. I just started this group today. And what it is it's a way so that you don't have to worry necessarily. You still should have your own group, social media, contacts, all of that. But you don't necessarily have to do all of that right away. So if you have customers who are curious about EPICURE, but you don't really know how or necessarily want to post every day, you don't know what to post, you're new to EPICURE, so you probably don't even know how to answer too many questions. Have them come into this page here. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. It is called Cooking Made Easier. And you might be wondering, well, why would I invite my customers into your group when I want them to shop from me, right? So you want them to obviously order from you. Well, that's the nice thing, where I do all of the work for you. So I will be hosting an online event likely every 3 to 6 weeks where I will come on live online and talk about EPICURE, show our new popular products, all of that. And if they want to order, they would order from you. So you would give them your cooking class link, or maybe your customers want to host their own party, but they might be saying, oh, I don't really have a lot of people to invite. I don't really know how. You might be thinking the same thing, like, well, I want my customer to host an online party, but I don't really know how to host it for them. So I do all the work for them, for them and for you. You would invite them, and then I go online and talk to everybody who is online, and your customers see that people are liking, commenting, they're interacting, and all of those sales that they have will go to them. So they will go to you, they will go to them, easy, right? So you would tell people who you invite to use your link to order. If they invite anybody, they would also use their link or your link to order. Not mine, they would use yours. So does that make sense? So it's just kind of making things easier for everybody. And you don't have to do the work, they don't have to do the work. I do the work for you. So I hope this helps. For Canada, USA, doesn't matter. Even if you're a customer saying, oh, well, I kind of want to learn about EPICURE too. Can I be a part of this thing? Yes. Come on in, you guys. I will also be posting probably at least once a day, just simply talking about EPICURE, because there's always so much to actually talk about. So I'll be posting probably once a day. That's it. I did post a lot today, like just to get people interested, but that's as easy as it is. So come on in, you guys. I will leave the link for you on the bottom. If you are a consultant, I am here to make your life easier. If you are a customer who might be thinking about becoming a consultant, send me a message anytime. I am so happy to help. I train people from Canada, USA, it doesn't matter where. I train everybody online because that's my specialty, is selling online. I have not hosted my own cooking class ever, and I've been selling EPICURE now for about 3 years, I think almost 4 years. I still have to look that up. I don't know how long I've been selling it for, but 3 or 4 years. So if I can do it, you guys, you can do it too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.